Hello, this is Dan with InnerPC Computer Solutions, and today we're going to talk about data recovery. This is in the event that you lost data that wasn't being backed up, either because you deleted the file, or maybe your hard drive got corrupt, the platter got scratched, or the motor within the hard drive doesn't work, or it could be a partition that's been compromised. So the different types of data loss are deleted files, the scratch platter, the broken motor. You're going to have, again, physical things that are wrong with the hard drive, in which case you're going to need to use what's called a clean room to recover the data and get that hard drive working, so you can use software to recover the data. So when you're recovering data, the best solution is restoring from backup. Obviously, if you have it backed up, there's nothing to worry about. You just go to your backup and you restore the data onto a new device. Sometimes those backup programs don't work, or they're not being checked, and so things do get lost. So in that case, you can use software in some cases. It doesn't always work, but you can at least try to recover the deleted files using programs like Disk Drill, Recuva, or Undelete 360. You're going to have moderate success with these, and if you're lucky, you'll get back a couple of files. But oftentimes what will happen is they'll read the files that have been deleted, but there's actually no data there, so it's not quite helpful. In order to really recover a deleted file from a hard drive, you do need to send it away to a data recovery center. And in some cases, you're going to have to use a clean room to repair the hard drive. And the clean room is going to be pretty expensive to do, because you basically you have a room that is dust free, and whoever's doing the work is wearing a suit to make sure that no dust gets on the hard drive or the platter. What you would need to do is take the platter out of the hard drive, put it into a new hard drive enclosure case with a motor, and all that has to be absolutely perfect. It has to be the exact same hardware that you're using with the hard drive and the motor. So obviously, backing up data is the most important thing you can do. The purpose of a data center, is to store the data off-site, so that way if you ever have a fire or anything, you can always access that data. It is an off-site location, and data is automatically backed up. So by far, the best thing you can possibly be doing is making sure that your data is backed up, getting reports on that nightly, and you can really leave work with a lot of peace of mind of knowing that you'll never have an issue with any broken hard drives or deleted files. My name's Dan with InnerPC Computers. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at dan@myinnerpc.com, and thank you very much. Have a great day.